So for this DIY, I'm going to take one of these candy jars. I'm going to take the sticker out. I'm going to take a small floral foam, put some hot glue at the bottom, and I'm going to attach it to the middle of the container like that. Then press it down to hold it into place. Then I'm going to take this candy. I'm going to use like 3 or 2 bags of these. I'm going to place the candy all the way around. And I'm going to do this just to cover the floral foam so it won't show. So just place it however you want it. You can also stack them up like red, whatever you want to. Just go ahead and place all your candy inside the little jars. Then after you're done placing it, take your flower, place it through the floral foam like that and fix it. Then go to the other side and place another bouquet of flowers on the other side. Place more candy so you could cover the floral foam just like that. Then after that, I took this candy, I'm going to put it upside down. I'm going to take a stick, place it in the middle, and then you're going to take a tape and attach it with a tape. Make sure to put 2 pieces of tape instead of 1. Then after you place it like that, just go ahead and grab it and place it in your floral foam inside like that. Just go ahead and place it down. Then after that, I took one of the small balloons that says Happy Valentine's. Just go ahead and place it in the back. Just slide it down and place it down. Then I'm going to use some hot glue, but I suggest for you guys to use tape better to attach it to the balloon. Then I'm going to take some of these twist candy and I'm going to use one of the stick. So I'm going to take my tape. I'm going to take my candy and place a stick on top of the candy and then attach it to the tape, and then I'm going to place it in the bouquet just like that. You could do a different size, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it in half, this one, and then attach it with a tape and place it at the bottom. So you could do one bigger and one small, and then you're just going to continue attaching it. Then I'm going to take these clear paper. I'm going to place it down like that, and then I'm going to put the bouquet on top, and then I'm just going to go ahead and roll it up until I cover the whole thing into the balloons. Once I do that, I'm going to take the scissor and cut it out. Then go ahead and attach it all together. Take your tape, cut it, and then you're going to attach the tape on the top just to hold it down into place, and then take a ribbon and you're going to do a knob first, and then you're going to make it like a little bow like that. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Something so simple that you guys can do at home, and it's so inexpensive. If I'm not mistaken, I wasted from $8 to $9 in this DIY, and this costs $25 or more if you go to the store or anybody that you want to buy. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna have another easy idea that you guys can do as well. So go ahead and grab the same little containers. I'm gonna take some tissue paper. I'm gonna take these box floral foams and I'm gonna just wrap it up and place it inside. Just go ahead and place it all the way down. After that, you can just fix the tissue paper to make it shorter. Then I put some body bath and beyond little gifts that I'm gonna put on top. You can put whatever you want in there. Then go ahead and add a few flowers on the front, and you can also add it all the way around the whole containers. Then once you do that, I took a stick. I'm gonna cut it in half, and then I'm gonna take my heart chocolate and place it inside like that. Just put it inside the little container, and this is how cute how it turns out. Something simple and so easy that you guys can do at home, and it's so inexpensive. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and let's not forget to let me know which one is your favorite.